In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new notebook in OneNote if you want a clean place to organize notes for work, school, personal projects, or just everyday ideas. Creating a new notebook in OneNote is a great place to start. A notebook helps you keep everything grouped together so your notes are easier to find and manage later. To begin, go to OneNote in your web browser. Once the page loads, you'll be taken to the area where your notebooks are listed. This is your main workspace for viewing existing notebooks and creating new ones. If you already use OneNote, you may see several notebooks here. If you're new to it, the page may look more empty, and that's completely fine. Next, look for the option that says Create New Notebook and click on it. This opens the setup step for making a brand new notebook. Think of this like creating a new folder specifically for a topic, class, team, or project. Starting with a separate notebook can make your information much easier to organize from the beginning. After that, type in the notebook name. Choose a name that clearly describes what you'll use it for. For example, you might name it after a project, a subject, a department, or a personal planning category. Using a clear and specific name now can save time later, especially if you create multiple notebooks over time. Try to keep the name simple and recognizable, so it's easy to spot at a glance. Once you've entered the notebook name, click on Create. OneNote will then generate your new notebook and make it available in your notebook list. From there, you can begin adding sections, pages, and notes based on how you want to organize your information. That's all it takes to create a new notebook in OneNote. It's a quick process, but it sets the foundation for better note organization and easier access to your ideas. If you plan to use OneNote regularly, taking a moment to name notebooks thoughtfully can really help keep everything structured and efficient. Now you're ready to start building out your notebook and using it in a way that works best for you. Whether you're tracking meeting notes, class materials, research, or daily plans, creating the notebook first gives you a dedicated space to keep it all together.